Hello everyone. I attempted a recording of this already, and it went beyond 15 minutes, which is not what I like. Plus, I'm physically not allowed to well, I don't know the right words for this, but basically. I can't record videos longer than 5 minutes, well, 15 minutes, because, yeah, I'm not verified. I can't verify my phone number because I don't have a phone. So can't say yes. Okay. Let's finish off what remains of the monsters slot here. Roar. Yeah, no one really cares about you, Mobig. Bam. Yeah, Timmy's dead. Timmy's dead. Almost a crit. Dead. Get the lantern. Get another lantern. There we go. Genocide in this zone. Alright. Determination. Yeah. Yeah. And then told me to stay away from you. She said you hurt a lot of people. But, yo, that's not true, right? Yo, why will you answer me? And what's with that weird expression? Oh, oh man. Man, my heart's pounding right off my chest. What would Undyne do? Yo, you better stop right where you are. If you want to hurt anyone else, you're, you're gonna have to get through me first. Bye bye. I just one shot. I'm dying. I'm dying. You're hurt. It's nothing. Except listen to what I tell you to believe, okay? I'm dying. I'll take care of this. Get out of here. It's nothing. No. Somehow it's just running. I'm already. I can't say that word. Purse. Fist. Score. Just like I failed you. No. My body feels like it's splitting apart. Like any instant, I'll scatter into a million pieces. But deep in my soul, there's a burning feeling I can't describe. A burning feeling that won't let me die. This isn't just about monsters anymore, is it? If you get past me, you'll destroy them all, won't you? Monsters, humans, everyone. Everyone's hopes, everyone's dreams, vanquished in an instant. But I won't let you do that. Right now, everyone in the world, you can feel their hearts beating as one. And we all have one goal: to defeat you, human. No, whatever you are. For the sake of the whole world, I, Undyne, will strike you down. Here we go. You're gonna have to try a little harder than that. Bam. This one's a little tough. Okay. This is pretty tough. I don't like it. Gonna eat a snow ant piece. Oh, jeez. Now Undyne's just spamming spears. Well, dog residue. Bam. Undyne the Undying. And I'm dead. You cannot give up just yet. Epic. Stay determined. Well. Genocide has been completed in Waterfall, but there's one obstacle standing in my way. Undyne the Undying. And I'll dedicate next video to defeating Undying the Undying. So, I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you hit that bell to ensure that you get notified when I upload another video. And now, goodbye.